Welcome to the channel. I'm Misty, the crochet designer of American Crochet. Today I will be teaching you how to crochet the Loops of Love bonding squares. It's a heartfelt project for preemies and moms. To crochet the bonding square, you will need a G crochet hook size 4, tapestry needle, scissors, and I personally used Bernat Softy Baby, which is a number 3 lightweight yarn. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Now we will be making 2 of these squares. One will go to mom and one goes to baby. So chain 20. You will single crochet into the second chain from the hook and in each chain across. You'll notice that I am working in the back bump. That's a personal preference. You don't have to. I just like the way it gives the project a cleaner look. These squares don't require much yarn, which makes them the perfect stash busting project. You will have 19 single crochets at the end of this row. So for row 2, you're going to chain 1, single crochet into your first stitch, and then we're going to work the herringbone single crochet in each stitch across. For those of you who are not familiar with the herringbone single crochet, no worries, I am going to be putting a tutorial out for that stitch specifically. In the meantime, I'm going to tell you how to work this stitch. So you're going to insert your hook through the vertical bar of the previous single crochet. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Row 3, chain 1, single crochet into the back loop only, and then you're going to single crochet into the front loop of the next stitch. Single crochet into your back loop only in the next stitch. Single crochet into your front loop only in the next stitch. So your back loop only single crochet, front loop only single crochet across. So your back loop only, you're going to be working in the loop that's furthest away from you, and then your front loop is going to be the loop that is the closest to you, in case you're just just a little confused on that or aren't really sure, and if you can't tell very well in the video. Now you'll notice that ridge that it gives you by working in the front loop and the back loop of your the stitches on your previous row. And at the end of this row you will have 19 stitches. You will have 19 stitches all the way across each row, just to point that out in case I don't continue to reiterate that part. I personally love how it gives the project a really nice texture. So now rows 4 through 15, we are going to repeat rows 2 and 3. Just out of curiosity, how many of you donate to charity, whether it be the hospitals, for the NICU, or cancer patients, the homeless, or all of the above? How many of you donate? Will you be donating these squares to the NICU unit at your local hospital? Is this something that you would like to see more of? I would really love to know, so drop those comments below. Now we will work our edging. We're going to single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, which gives us our first corner. Now we are going to evenly single crochet along the side. Then we will work our corner, which is a single crochet, a chain 1, a single crochet. Then we will evenly single crochet across the bottom, work our corner, evenly single crochet up the next side, work our corner, evenly single crochet across the top, and then join with a slip stitch and that first single crochet. Now we have crocheted our Loops of Love bonding square. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and be sure to share this video with your crochet friends. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Happy crocheting!